In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference has condemned the upsurge in systematic genocide, extrajudicial killings, denial of religious, social and political rights, desecration of chastity of women, arbitrary arrests and torture of innocent Kashmiris by brutal Indian troops. The APHC spokesman said this in a statement issued in Srinagar on the eve of Human Rights Day. He deplored that the oppressed people of Jammu and Kashmir do not enjoy even a bit of this famous Universal Declaration of Human Rights adopted by the United Nations General Assembly on 10th of December in 1948. The spokesman said, "The spirit of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights does not permit any member country to suppress the fundamental rights of people, especially the right to self-determination." He stressed that the oppressor, like India, involved in heinous war crimes against the people demanding their inalienable right, should face trial in the International Court of Justice and International War Tribunal. Meanwhile, posters appeared in Srinagar and other areas of the occupied territory in connection with the Human Rights Day, drawing the attention of the world towards Indian state terrorism in the territory. The posters containing the pictures of All Parties Hurriyat Conference Chairman Masarrat Alam Butt, Shabir Ahmad Shah, Muhammad Yasin Malik, Asia Indarabi and other political prisoners were displayed by several pro-freedom organizations. A Kashmiri shopkeeper was arrested by Indian forces in Rajouri on Thursday for his social media posts on the killing of the Indian Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat and other forces personnel in a chopper crash in Tamil Nadu on Wednesday. Political analysts said General Bipin Rawat will be remembered as the murderer of humanity as Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir witnessed surge in killings during his tenure as Indian Army Chief. Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan has said that the Kashmir dispute has made South Asia a hostage. Addressing an event at Institute of Strategic Studies Islamabad, he said, "We tried our best to hold talks with India over the issue of Kashmir. However, India construed our efforts for peace as weakness." The chairman of the Parliamentary Committee on Kashmir, Shahryar Khan Afridi, addressing a seminar, has urged the world community to take notice of the travesty of justice being committed by Indian forces against the political prisoners of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The Pakistan Foreign Office, in a statement issued in Islamabad while condemning the killing of another 3 Kashmiris by Indian occupation forces in Shopian yesterday, said the military crackdown and the extrajudicial killings in FAC encounters and staged operations in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir reflected the extremist anti-Muslim designs of the Hindutva-inspired extremist BJP-RSS combined in India. Political parties and experts have said that Modi-led Indian government, with the help of the so-called Delimitation Commission, is engaged in pre-poll rigging to empower non-state Hindu extremist Bharatiya Janata Party through manipulated elections for the Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Assembly. Commenting on the Modi-Amit Shah evil agenda in occupied Jammu and Kashmir, they said that the Hindutva leaders were plotting to divide Kashmiri Muslim voters to install Hindu chief minister in the occupied territory. An American academic of Kashmiri origin, Dr. Hafsa Kanjwal, in an opinion piece in the Washington Post, challenged India's democratic credentials by exposing its brutal repression in occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Dr. Hafsa is assistant professor of South Asian history at Lafayette College in eastern Pennsylvania. A consortium of 34 international multi-faith human rights NGOs have written a letter to the US President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris expressing their deep concern that the President's 2-day summit for democracy starting today will ignore the widespread violations of human rights of minority communities in India.